Hey there, coding enthusiasts. Get ready to dive into another exciting C++ tutorial. Today, we're going to tackle a common programming challenge, adding every number greater than 5 from an array using functions. But don't worry, we'll break it down step by step and have you mastering this concept in no time. All right, let's roll up our sleeves and dive into the code. In our code, after adding the basic libraries iostream and namespace std, we start off with a nifty little function called addNumbers. This function is the powerhouse behind our task, taking in an array of integers and its size as parameters. Inside addNumbers, we loop through each element of the array. If the current element is greater than 5, we add it to a running total. Once we've looped through all the elements, we return the final sum. Simple, right? Now, let's take a peek at our main function. Here, we've got an array filled with some random integers, 2, 7, 4, 8, 2, and 9. Here we're calculating the size of an array and storing it in an integer variable called size. So, when we divide the total size of the array by the size of a single element, we're left with the number of elements in the array. Pretty neat, right? This nifty trick allows us to dynamically determine the size of an array, which comes in handy when working with arrays of unknown length. We calculate the size of the array and pass it along with the array itself to our trusty addNumbers function. After that, to show the result, we simply use cout, sum of numbers greater than 5, colon, the sum variable that stores the result, end line, and in the end, our favorite return 0. And just like that, we've successfully added every number greater than 5 from our array using functions. Thanks for tuning in to today's tutorial. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome content, and I'll catch you in the next one. Happy coding!